Alright guys, what's up in another video? As you can see, I'm back on Blox Fruits. I'm level 860. I have Blizzard Mastery 266. As you can see, I have all abilities. But today, thank you guys for 25 subscribers. And also Happy New Year. I haven't made a Happy New Year. Like it's been school. I'm busy. Like look all the abilities like Blizzard Domain. But guys, please subscribe if you're new to the channel, first time watching this, because I have Blizzard, and if you scroll to my fruits, I have Love Fruit, and I'm gonna be replacing it with Blizzard. I thought I'm never gonna replace Blizzard, but never mind. Let's just try this trade, you know, trading for any of your fruits. I don't want Phoenix. Oh, this is a good trade. I'll take it. I bet. Really? Yeah. So who's this exhibitory? Hey. This guy doesn't have space. Okay, guys. I'm doing it. Please subscribe. Subscribe. Because it's time. And I put my feet on grass. I'm gonna eat it. I don't wanna. Oh wait. Just for good memories with Blizzard, I'll just do a quest. I'm gonna miss you, Blizzard! I promise! I'm gonna fight fast through the woods. I'll wait. I feel so bad for Blizzard. Guys, RIP Blizzard for the chat. RIP Blizzard in the chat. But it's just for you guys. You better subscribe. Because I'm actually gonna do it. Okay, now I'm just gonna do. And I'm gonna do it again. I don't care. Oh hell no, bro. Okay, let's just. I don't want to take out the lobby yet. So I'm gonna go to the cafe. Okay. So dead. We're gonna miss the food, guys. I'm gonna actually cry, bro. It's almost bedtime. I got ready to upload this video. And you know, I'm actually like, I've been cooking for like 2 months, and it's still going from this year. Okay, say goodbye, guys. When I step a foot, when I touch the ground, I'm gonna eat love. Trade! Wait, trade. Trade. Oh, just trading. Okay, guys. I want this. Nobody. Can I step this? Can I step back into the cafe? I'm gonna eat it. Guys, I don't wanna do it. Should I do it? Bro, it's been 6 minutes. I'm eating it, bro. Bye, baby blizzard. I'll miss you. I promise. I'll see you again. I will. Hello, love. Let's kill Danny. Myself, I didn't want to do this. It's happened. Sorry, guys. Tell me if I get the window, is it gonna be good? I don't just kill Granny. What the heck, bro? Focus, man. I need mastery. I mean, I could kill Smoker. I mean, like, he is weak. He's not that good. And here's him. Big zone. Okay, now we're just dodging. I think he has bows, bro. No way. Like, Cupid zone. Oh, bro, I'm missing. Oh, no, I'm not. I just missed every single thing. Oh! Cupid zone. No way. I should die. Hell no. That ain't happening today, bud. I'm coming as fast as I can right now. Literally. It's max speed. Oh no. Speed ain't good today. Bro, I missed. No. No, thank you. You can't hit me. Haha. I mean, that can just tap me in the air with irresistible attraction. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. Take this! Weak boss. Come on, the zone. 5,000 damage. What the hell? Oh, it's not doing. No, don't touch me. Good. He is dead. Alright. Guys, now for now we're gonna play the strongest battlegrounds. And we only have a few matches. Alright, let's play the strongest battlegrounds. And I got the fish. I don't wanna do the camera though for now. So the strongest battlegrounds, I'm like good at strongest battlegrounds. I use like the water one. Like the festival is called floating water. I just love it. it's like so good. But like the last ability is called Plum. It carries skill. It's like hard to hit with. Ah! Not the white screen. It jump scares me. Everything. I get scared like. I'm attacked. That's the power. Yes, let's go. Wait, I think it's called, but I got the white screen! Comment what kind of game you want me to play next, and I'll do it. You want me to play Funky Phase and Phase of Phase 1 to Phase 10 with my cousins. And I had no reaction. I just cried, like Bella, my cousin, cried of Veneria, like, it doesn't matter of the look, it matters of the sound, guys. And like, I cried of Sky, like, he is like 14 years old, and like, makes a good beat. No. Oh, this character is probably called Hero Hunter. Yeah, it's Hero Hunter. Wait. No, don't hurt, man. Don't, man. I didn't even but like everyone uses that. Like that's so OP. Look at that combo. It's so good, right? And they keep using this girl, right? Wait, did she go better? I don't know. I'm lagging. What kind of hammer is that? I don't know. Yeah, it is. I don't want to be here anymore, man. Huh? Oh no. Nope. Not me. She's targeting. It's heavy. Guys, it's heavy. Yes, sir. Get trash. Your stuff is bad. Go complain. What the heck is happening? Attention makers. People's business. Yeah, for real, man. What the hell? What are you talking about, man? Who is that? Is someone hacking here or is it Jira? Bro! People keep dodging. How did he dodge? He keeps dodging. Oh no, I got it. No, guys, I got it. Never mind, I got it. Water! What is that combo called? No! Guys! You won that thing nice, bro. Yeah, I have 40 kills. And total kills. 18. I don't know if you can see that. No! Oh, what the? I'm big. So that's floating water, nice. Don't spell me. Don't spell me, yeah. Yeah, thank you, there. Right there, everywhere. Yo. You know what they say? Always focus on the rules. Video. Oh. I don't know like how to play that game. How? Floating water is not working. It's just like lagging. Do you see that? Ouch, I'm dead. Did I get killed though? I think so. Wow. 12. Whoa, yo. Just focusing on the bunny. Because he is one! control this thing, bro. Oh, no, okay. Fight! Bruh. I just got that time. No, I have that. It's been like 10 minutes. And I still haven't got rampage. The combo! How do Bro, I'm not sure. I got it! I got your shots! Insane. Yeah, the frozen song? Again, Randy! What the heck? Oh! That's Randy. Where's my Randy? I'm not I can't get somebody. Hey, I need to do at least a hit! Can I not do a hit? Can I not do a hit? Video! Wait, I'm just doing my video. Video! Oh, 2 minutes. Hold on. Oh, guys. One video. I'm tired of this. I'm done. It's like so. I'm not getting picked. I might get picked. Double is good or not? I don't know. Bro, how many people are actually ultimate? Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Bye-bye. And hi guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye.